Hi, my name is Lindsey, and I am an acupuncturist, and I also practice traditional Chinese medicine. You know, the reason why I really got interested in this line of work started way back in the 70s when I was a teenager. My mother got diagnosed with liver cancer. My mom decided to go with herbal medicine and alternative treatments, which was pretty crazy at the time. After about a year, it turns out when she went back in for tests that there was no sign of the cancer. The doctor's explanation was that the first test must have been wrong. Even as a teenager, that didn't make a lot of sense to me. And I was incredibly impressed with herbal medicine. And so ever since then, that's kind of been my passion. I went on a mission to Taiwan where I learned Chinese language and was introduced to the culture. Later, I decided that I wanted to study Chinese medicine and also the acupuncture. So, sold my car, bought an airplane ticket, went to China, and started studying.
This has been in the ground for 1 year. It needs 2 more seasons before it's ready to harvest.
25 years later, here we are. I had the great honor of studying with a very famous Chinese doctor, Dr. Liang Xiaohua, in Taoyuan County. One of the things that Dr. Liang Xiaohua taught me was that any doctor can be successful at treating his patients with sophisticated equipment and expensive medicines. But a truly superior physician is able to successfully treat his patients using simple remedies and inexpensive medicines. So at my clinic, really, it's a very simple clinic. But that's always been our goal, to use simple, inexpensive methods to successfully treat our patients. I do this for my patients, but also to honor my teacher. I think one of the reasons why acupuncture is becoming so popular, not just in the United States, but worldwide, is that a treatment is quick, it's easy, and the results are nothing short of astounding. People come in, they sit down, we put a couple of needles in, and they can't believe that they're already starting to feel better. The traditional Chinese medicine, the herbal medicine, has formulas that combines multiple herbs together to create a single formula or a single medicine. The effects are astounding. When people ask me whether or not something can be treated with acupuncture, most of the time my real answer is get on Google, type in your concern along with acupuncture. So for example, migraines and acupuncture, lower back pain and acupuncture. Type those in, see what pops up, read about it. If it seems like it's the thing you want to do, give me a call. We'll get you scheduled and get you taken care of. So when you come into our clinic, what you can expect is to sit down and fill out some simple bio information on you. Your name, your address, a few things like that, a list of some of your primary concerns. It's important that I get a complete list of the medications that you're using, so be sure to bring those with you. At that point, you'll have a short meeting with me. I'll ask you some simple questions about how you're feeling. I'll take an opportunity to look at your tongue, your eyes and face, and then also take your pulse. Pulse diagnosis is an important part of clinical diagnosis in Chinese medicine. When you're here doing a diagnosis, I'll take more time to explain it to you while we're doing it. Once we get the diagnosis done, we'll decide what we're going to do to treat it. Everybody's a little bit different. Some people, the herbs are the way to go. They're a tad less expensive. They don't really taste that great, but they're very effective. For some people, acupuncture is really going to be the best choice. There are those who are a little nervous about the needles, and that might not be their first choice. I understand this. We can work with the medicine. But acupuncture is fast. It's really effective. And that's oftentimes the best way to go. And frequently we'll blend the two, doing acupuncture and then sending you home with some Chinese medicine. Whichever we decide to do, we'll make sure it's working and make sure it's effective. You won't waste a lot of time and a lot of money here. We'll get things fixed and get it fixed right. Thank you for taking a few minutes and watching this video. If you have more questions, check the links below or give us a call at the clinic. We'll be glad to help.